At White Hat Services, we know that as a contractor you have a list of priorities a mile long, and that staying up to date on the asbestos regulation is only a small part of that list. Having been in the industry since 2007, we can help you navigate the asbestos reg so that you can focus on the other priorities of your job. Imagine the peace you will feel when a state inspector walks on your job site, knowing that you are following the requirements of the asbestos regulation. Understanding the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment, Regulation 8, Part B, will help you avoid fines from the state for non-compliance. Just click on the link to get access to the videos. Watch the videos. Each one is only a few minutes long, and feel confident that you are following the asbestos laws. Your company could be forced to close due to fines for non-compliance, whether you understood the asbestos laws or not. Ask yourself, is your company following the asbestos laws in Regulation 8? If you are not able to answer the question with a confident yes, then watch the videos to understand the regulation better. Imagine a state inspector walking onto your job site and the peace you feel being confident that you are following the asbestos laws. Watch the videos and you will feel confident that there will be no fines for non-compliance with the asbestos regulation, even if a state inspector walked onto your job site.